Good morning, children. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
So now, which paragraph we have to continue? Which paragraph? Hurry up. Which page number? Yes, class 10 students. Which page number? Ayushi Maheshwari, which page number?
22.
Page number 22. Which paragraph?
Second.
Second, ma'am, I
Para?
was not.
Which one?
Second.
In second. Second
Second
one.
one.
Second.
Ma'am.
Second
Yes, ma'am.
para? Okay. Put the date. Page number 22, second para. Other students, they are dumb. बिल्कुल गूंगे हो जाते हैं, बोलने की जरूरत ही नहीं समझते हैं. उन्हें इतना भी नहीं मालूम है कि on which page number we are. Put the date. Hurry up. Written the date.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now in the above para, Nelson Mandela, he says that every person has twin obligations, twin duties. Can you tell me which are those two obligations? Who will tell me? Those two obligations. What are those? Ranshu Chaudhary, what are those twin obligations or two obligations? Answer me, otherwise I am going to remove you people today. What are those two obligations? Ranshu Chaudhary. I'm asking you a question. What are those twin obligations as said by Nelson Mandela? Hurry up. Did you revise the chapter? He disappeared. I'll remove him. The best thing is I'm going to remove him. Remove you people if you do not answer. Avinash. Twin obligations. Yes, Avinash. Hurry up. What are those twin obligations?
Ma'am, natural tendency of
Wait.
behavior.
Did I ask you, Harsh Mundra? Shruti Yadav? Samiksha, just wait, beta. Shruti Yadav. Irfan, wait. Hurry up. Do not try to look for the answer right now. जैसे ही मैं पूछती हूँ वैसे ही गायब हो जाते हैं, छोड़ देते हैं. मीटिंग छोड़ दें, that is the best thing. Shweta, what are the twin obligations as said by Nelson Mandela?
Ma'am, the twin obligations are obligations to his family, to his parents, to his wife and children, and he has an obligation to his people, his community, his country.
Can you be a little louder, beta? Be a little louder.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, he has obligations to his family, to his parents, to his wife,
One
his children.
obligation is towards the family and the other obligation is towards the society, towards the country. Okay. And
Okay,
a
ma'am.
person who tried to do his duty towards the country in South Africa, what happened with him? What happened to him? What
They were
happened to him?
punished.
punished in
He
isolates.
was,
He was
yes,
punished in isolates.
yes,
Isolate.
he was taken away from his family and he was punished. He was put in the prison. Means he just cannot do any of his obligations, any of his duties. Why? From the family he was taken away. He cannot do his duty towards the family, and then even when he tried to do his duty for his country, there then he was considered as a criminal and put behind the bars. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now come to the next para. Should I begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I was not born with a hunger to be free. I was born free, free in every way that I could. Free to run in the fields near the mother's hut. Free to swim in the clear stream that ran through my village. Free to roast mealies under the stars and ride the broad backs of slow-moving bulls. As long as I obeyed my father and abided by the customs of my tribe, I was not troubled by the laws of man or God. Now the writer, he says that like a normal child, he was born free. Okay. He says, I was not born with a hunger to be free. Means he was not born with any kind of restraints. He was not born bounded by any kind of chains. He was born free, and every person is born free, isn't it? Every child, when he or she takes birth, is free. Okay. Similarly, he says that even I was born free, and like any other normal child, I was free, and I spent my childhood free in every way that I could know. Means, likewise, a child, he's free. He's absolutely free. He's free to move here and there. He's free to run anywhere. He's free to play anywhere. Okay. He's free to swim in the waters. There are no restrictions on him. Similarly, Nelson Mandela, he also says that I was born free, free in every way that I could know. Okay. As far as I know, I was born free. I was not under any kind of restrictions or chains, free to run in the fields near my mother's hut. Okay. अब mother की hut के पास जो fields होंगी, कहता है, there was nobody to stop me from running, so I was free to run in the fields. I was free to swim in the clear streams, and then he says free to roast mealies under the stars. Under the stars means during night, and I was also free to ride on the broad backs of slow moving bulls. Bulls तो तुम्हें मालूम ही है ना, क्या होते हैं bulls? What are bulls?
वो कांच
Kind of animal.
Kind of animal, but what is it? Kind of animal. What is it?
Bell.
they are using to ma'am, they are using to carry raw material
The
Yes,
as
opposite
a
of
purpose
cow.
of transport.
And
okay, even the plowing is done by them, na? So वो कहता है कि मैं इतना फ्री था कि मैं अपनी मिलीज को रोस्ट कर सकता था. I can swim, okay, whenever I like, and I can also ride on the bull's back. As long as I obeyed my father, कहते हैं जब तक I was obeying my father and I abided means I just followed the rules of my tribe. I was not troubled. I did not have any problem by the laws that were made by men or by God. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so he wants to say that I did not have any hunger to be free. Why? Because according to him, he says he was born free. He was born free to run anywhere. He was born free to swim. He was born free to ride on the back of the animal. Okay, and he says as far as he just obeyed his father. He followed the rules of his tribe. There was nobody to trouble him. There was nobody to create problems. Okay. And nobody troubled him. Why? Because of the laws of God or man. Means the laws that were made by God or by man. Okay. Due to them, nobody troubled him. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now why he wants to say this, बेटा वो क्यों बताना चाहता है कि childhood, you know, childhood में I was very free. लेकिन जैसे जैसे he became older day by day, he came to his boyhood age and adulthood age, and then slowly and slowly when he went out, when he faced the world, when he saw the societies, and when he moved in public places, then he found Nelson Mandela, he found that lot of restrictions were there on him. Okay. And then he realizes that those restrictions were not only on him, but at the same time, those restrictions were on the other people like him, on all the black people of South Africa. समझ में आया? बचपन में तो रियलाइज करा ही नहीं, फ्रीडम थी. लेकिन जब वो बड़े हुए हैं ना, धीरे धीरे स्कूल हायर स्टडीज करने लगे, कॉलेज वगैरह में गए, पब्लिक प्लेसेस पे मूव होने लगे, तब उन्होंने रियलाइज करा कि बहुत सारे रिस्ट्रिक्शंस हैं दैट वर इम्पोज्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट, बाय द वाइट पीपल. और तब उन्होंने ये भी रियलाइज करा कि वो रिस्ट्रिक्शन सिर्फ मेरे पर ही नहीं है, बल्कि मेरे जैसी पूरी ब्लैक कम्युनिटी पर वो रिस्ट्रिक्शंस इम्पोज्ड है. नाउ सी इन द नेक्स्ट पैरा. It was only when I began to learn that my boyhood freedom was an illusion. Illusion समझते हो ना आप? एक तरह का भ्रम था कि मेरी बॉयहुड फ्रीडम क्या थी, वो तो एक इल्यूजन थी, एक भ्रम थी. उन्होंने ये रियलाइज करा. When I discovered as a young man that my freedom had already been taken from me. Got it? When he grew up, okay, he started moving in the society, right? And then he started moving on to other places, on to public places and so on. तब वो कहते हैं कि I realized that my freedom, you know, the actual freedom, it had been taken from me. Childhood freedom was something different. Getting it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आया? A child, you
Yes,
know,
ma'am.
he moves in a limited space only, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, a child does not face anybody in the society. He doesn't move in the society. A small child, you know, he is busy in his own world. Okay, he does not move to the public places and so on. But when a person grows older, he starts moving outside, okay, of his house, of his home. He goes outside his family. Then he realizes what freedom is. Similarly, Nelson Mandela, he realizes later on when he became a young man that his freedom had already been taken away. Who had taken away his freedom?
Ma'am, the Britishers.
Hmm? Yes,
His
sir.
responsibilities.
Yes, Shweta, who?
His responsibilities.
No, not the responsibilities.
Ma'am, the white
The
people.
government.
Ma'am,
The government.
Britishers.
ओके, द वाइट पीपल. जब वो बेटा बड़ा हुआ ना, वो इधर उधर मूव करने लगा सोसाइटी में, पब्लिक प्लेसेस में. ओके, अपने लिमिटेड दायरे से जब वो बाहर आया. ओके, जब बच्चा बाहर निकलता है, बचपन तो ऐसे ही निकल जाता है उसका इधर उधर खेलने में, कूदने में, है ना, उस समय कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन. लेकिन धीरे धीरे बच्चा बड़ा होता है, पब्लिक को फेस करता है, लोगों को फेस करता है, पब्लिक प्लेसेस पर जाता है, बाहर जाना शुरू कर देता है, मार्केट, रेस्टोरेंट्स, टू सम अदर डिफरेंट प्लेसेस. ओके, सोसाइटी में मूव करता है. तो तब यदि उस पर रिस्ट्रिक्शंस होते हैं कि यू कैन नॉट मूव हियर, यू कैन नॉट सिट हियर, यू कैन नॉट डू दिस, तब वो रियलाइज करता है कि यस, बहुत रिस्ट्रिक्शंस हैं. और व्हेन ही बिकम्स अ यंग मैन, नेल्सन मंडेला ने यही रियलाइज करा. एंड दोज रिस्ट्रिक्शंस, इट वाज इम्पोज्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट. अब देखो वो आगे बताते हैं. That I began to hunger for it. Hunger means bhook. Bhook matlab I started having a desire now to get the real freedom. At first, as a student, I wanted freedom only for myself. Clear? अब वो क्या कहते हैं कि पहले तो as a student को चाहिए क्या चाहिए? Freedom for himself. Okay? So when I was a student, I wanted freedom only for myself. The transitory क्या होती है? Temporary freedom of being able to stay out at night. Okay? Night out करने के लिए कहते हैं कि बस वही freedom चाहिए. Students को क्या चाहिए कि भाई अपने friends से मिले, इधर उधर घूमें. ओके, नाइट आउट्स करें, तो बोलते हैं ये फ्रीडम, ये ट्रांजिटरी होती है, दैट इज नॉट परमानेंट, टेम्परेरी फ्रीडम होती है. रेड व्हाट आई प्लीज, और जो इच्छा हो वो पढूं, ये स्टूडेंट की फ्रीडम होती है. एंड गो वेयर आई चूज. ओके, एंड वेरेवर आई फील लाइक आई मे गो. तुम स्टूडेंट्स की यही इच्छा है ना कि whenever you feel like you study, whatever you feel like you read, wherever you want to go, you must be free to go. This is your freedom, isn't it? यही फ्रीडम चाहते हैं ना स्टूडेंट्स.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. तो सिमिलरली वो भी कहते हैं कि मुझे यही फ्रीडम चाहिए थी एज अ स्टूडेंट. लेटर एज अ यंग मैन इन जोहान्सबर्ग आई yearned for the basic and honorable freedoms of achieving my potential. Now see what he says. कहते हैं कि later on, okay, I just started yearning. Yearning means I just started longing. I had a deep desire now for the basic or honorable freedom के लिए मेरे अंदर एक desire पैदा हो गया कि मैं मेरी potential, मेरी capabilities, okay, उसके according I should achieve, right? And then he says of earning my keep and how to earn, okay, so that my life, you know, it could go on and on. Then I realized, ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद of marrying and having a family, the freedom not to be obstructed in a lawful life. Okay, now he says that in Johannesburg, कहते हैं I had to struggle for having a very peaceful life, for having a peaceful marriage, for having a peaceful family, and for the basic amenities. Okay, earning my keep means I have to fulfill my basic amenities, necessities. Now, for this, I started longing for, I started to have a deep desire for these freedom. Okay, और ये ऐसी चीजें थी जिसका, है ना, means every person has access to all these things. जहाँ पे लॉ और ऑर्डर एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, कोई बात नहीं, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर डू एग्जिस्ट, बट एवरी पर्सन, यू नो, दे हैव freedom for all these things. But black people did not have freedom for it, so they started longing for it, so they started having a deep desire for this freedom, okay, that should be honorable and respectful. Clear? Clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Rajit clear, Bhumika Sangla clear, Harsh Mundra, Mehul,
Yes, ma'am.
Tanisha,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tanisha.
Yes, ma'am.
उस दिन कोई मैसेज भेजा और जैसे ही मैंने पढ़ा, you just ran away, you just left the meeting and you quit.
Sorry, ma'am.
So bad. This should not be done, beta. Understood, children? Naman, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, during the teaching classes, you must not send any messages. Got it?